Why do people come to Noosa? They come here because they've holidayed here for many, many years and decided to move here. They think it's paradise. A large percentage of people are semi-retired or retired, and with technology, a lot of people are able to, run their business from here. Particularly a lot of senior executives. The highest percentage would still be residential, but not necessarily full-time. There's a lot of buyers that buy here as a part-time residential property. 6 months in Melbourne or Sydney and then the balance here. And there's still some investment, but the strongest market remains to be residential. So last year, which 2012, we saw our turnover double in August, and it remained so, throughout the rest of 2012 and early 2013. But then it sort of fell away again right before the announcement of the election, and it's been a little bit slower since then. But since a week before the election, we've seen an increase in inquiry and in activity. So it's especially an increase in confidence. So it's looking like we're heading towards a better time. We also watch what goes on outside Noosa in the cities, and of course Brisbane particularly is showing real signs of increased activity, and so is Sydney. So we think it'll flow on up to us, and we expect that next year it'll improve further and further. But you've got to remember, it doesn't take much to have a big impact on Noosa, because it's a very, very small place and you don't need much turnover, and the market becomes very tight very quickly. So sellers should be thinking about selling now, particularly if they're going to buy again in the area, because they could sell in a relatively quick period of time and get back in before prices possibly head up.